Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can attach photos to the calendar event on the iPhone 14 series. At the moment you can see in my calendar new event, if I tap on add attachment, it will only allow me to attach photos from the files manager. Now if you want to attach photos or pictures from the photos library, then this is what you have to do. So first let's go back to the home screen. On the home screen, tap on the Photos app and then open up an album. So here I'm going to go into my recent album, and so you want to attach 3 photos to the event. So I'm going to select the photos that I want to attach to the calendar event, and then at the bottom here tap on the share button. Next, we're going to tap on Save to Files. This will allow you to save to the file manager. So in here, I'm going to tap on my iPhone and then choose a folder that you want to save it to. So here I'm going to select IT Jungles and I will save it to this folder. Saved. Alright, so once we have copied pictures from the Photos app to the Files app. So in here you can see I have copied to the Files app now. Then we now open up the calendar app. Next, in here, I'm going to create a new calendar event. Then I go down to calendar and make sure you use iCloud calendar. If you use other calendar, such as Google Calendar, then the attachment will not be available. So up here, you can give your calendar event a name. So I'm going to say test picture attachment, and then we go down and tap on add attachment. In here, tap on the drop down at the list, and we're going to navigate to our folder. So I'm going to tap on my iPhone, then tap on your folder, the folder that you have copied the pictures to, so IT Jungles, and in here select the picture that you want to add. I'll go back into my iPhone and then IT Jungles, and I'll see if I can select multiple pictures. So look like I can't select multiple pictures, so it will be just one by one. Now this might seem tedious, that you have to do a number of different complicated steps in order for you to add in pictures attachments. Unfortunately, that is just the way it is. You have to actually go through that steps in order for you to add in pictures from your photos album to your event, to your calendar event. Now you can see here at the bottom here there is an image, but it is in HEIC format. If you don't want to use that format but JPEG, you can go to Files and then open up the pictures. So for example, this one right here, you can touch and hold on that picture and then tap on Quick Actions and then tap on Convert Image, and in here you can choose JPEG and it will convert that pictures to JPEG. And there it is. You can see at the top it is now converted to JPEG, and then in your calendar event you can select a JPEG picture. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the add button to add your event. And if you want to send that to an invitees, you can also add in invitees to your calendar event. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.